Hello, level cast learners. Today we learn about history. We learn about a big story. It is a story about two groups of people. One group lived in Mexico. The other group came from Spain. This story happened a long time ago. It happened in the year 1519. The people in Mexico were the Aztecs. The Aztecs had a big city. The city was Tenochtitlan. It was a very big city. The Aztecs were strong people. They had a strong leader. His name was Montezuma. Montezuma was the Aztec Emperor. The Aztecs had many gold things. They had gold jewelry. They had gold statues. They had a rich culture. They had many gods. They built big temples. They farmed the land. They were a powerful empire. Their empire was large. Many people lived there. They lived happy lives. They did not know about Spain. They did not know about other people. They lived in their own world. This world was beautiful. This world was strong. But change was coming. Big change was coming. This change came from the sea. It came from far away. It came with new people. These new people had ships. These new people had weapons. These new people had new ideas. This is their story. This is a big story. It is an important story. We will learn many new words. We will understand the past. Let's start our story. Let's learn about the Aztecs. The people from Spain came. Their leader was Hernán Cortés. Cortés was a Spanish soldier. He came with many men. They had big ships. They sailed across the ocean. They came to a new land. This land was Mexico. Cortés and his men landed. They saw new plants. They saw new animals. They saw new people. These people were not Spanish. They were indigenous people. Cortés wanted gold. He wanted power. He heard about the Aztecs. He heard about their gold. He heard about their big city. Cortés wanted to go to Tenochtitlan. He wanted to meet Montezuma. Cortés had horses. The Aztecs did not have horses. Horses were new to them. Horses were big and strong. Cortés had guns. The Aztecs did not have guns. Guns were loud and dangerous. Cortés had steel swords. Aztec weapons were not steel. Spanish weapons were strong. Cortés had a plan. He wanted to take the Aztec gold. He wanted to control the Aztec land. Cortés walked to Tenochtitlan. It was a long walk. He met other groups. These groups did not like the Aztecs. They were enemies of the Aztecs. Cortés made friends with them. These friends helped Cortés. They helped him fight the Aztecs. Montezuma heard about Cortés. He heard about the Spanish men. He heard about their horses and guns. Montezuma was worried. He did not know what to do. He thought Cortés might be a god. Some Aztec stories talked about a god. This god would come from the east. Cortés came from the east. This made Montezuma afraid. Cortés and his men came to Tenochtitlan. Montezuma met Cortés. Montezuma welcomed Cortés. He let Cortés enter the city. The city was amazing. It was on a lake. It had big temples. It had many people. Cortés saw the gold. He saw the rich city. Cortés wanted more. He wanted to control Montezuma. He wanted to control the city. Cortés took Montezuma. He made Montezuma a prisoner. Montezuma was still the emperor. But Cortés told him what to do. The Spanish men stayed in the city. They took Aztec gold. They melted the gold. They made it into bars. The Aztecs were not happy. They were angry. Their emperor was a prisoner. Their gold was gone. The Aztecs fought back. They fought the Spanish. There was a big fight. Montezuma spoke to his people. He told them to stop fighting. But the Aztecs did not listen. They did not want Cortés there. Montezuma died. We do not know how. Some say the Spanish killed him. Some say the Aztecs killed him. The Spanish had to leave the city. The Aztecs pushed them out. It was a hard fight. Many Spanish men died. Cortés left Tenochtitlan. But he did not give up. He still wanted the city. He still wanted the gold. He planned to come back. Cortés came back to Tenochtitlan. He came with more men. He came with more friends. These friends were other indigenous groups. They helped Cortés fight. Cortés also brought sickness. This sickness was smallpox. The Aztecs did not know smallpox. They did not have medicine for it. Many Aztecs got sick. Many Aztecs died. Smallpox was a big killer. It made the Aztecs weak. Cortés attacked the city again. This time, it was a long fight. It was a hard fight. The Aztecs fought bravely. They fought for their home. They fought for their gods. But they were weak from sickness. They were fewer in number. The Spanish had strong weapons. The Spanish had horses. The Spanish had many allies. The battle was long. The battle was terrible. In 1521, the Spanish won. They took Tenochtitlan. The Aztec Empire fell. It was the end of a big empire. It was the end of a rich culture. The Spanish took control. They built a new city. This city was Mexico City. It was on the ruins of Tenochtitlan. The Spanish brought new ways. They brought new religion. They brought new language. The Aztec people changed. Their lives changed forever. This story is sad. It is also important. It shows us history. It shows us how cultures meet. It shows us power. It shows us loss. This event changed the world. It changed Mexico. It changed Spain. It changed many people. It is a big part of history.
Hello.
Hello. What did you learn?
I learned about Aztecs.
Yes, the Aztecs were strong.
They had a big city.
Yes, Tenochtitlan was big.
And Montezuma was their leader.
That is right. He was emperor.
Then Cortés came.
Cortés was from Spain.
He had horses and guns.
The Aztecs did not have them.
Cortés wanted gold.
Yes, he wanted gold and power.
He took Montezuma.
That was bad.
The Aztecs fought back.
They fought bravely.
But many got sick.
Yes, smallpox was bad.
The Spanish won.
The Aztec Empire fell.
It was a big change.
Yes, a very big change for Mexico.
I learned a lot today.
Me too. Keep learning, Levelcasters.
Thank you for watching. See you next time on Levelcast.